I'm trying to film my intro. Let's do barn chores. That is a strong opinion for somebody who does not pay bills, Mimi. I'm going to record. Whoa, can we not breathe right here? Honcho, good grief. Can you wait till after dinner? My goodness, wait till the sun sets, dude. Not one, but 2 entire troughs of feed. How magical is that? Emanuel, I love you. Actually, you know what? Do it. Hear me out for a second. Has anyone ever told you? That you... No. Hey, but listen, has anyone ever told you that you have the voice of an angel, Mimi? Well, they lied, so... Ooh, agree. Points were made. I'm not gonna lie. Points were made. A teeny corn for a teeny girl. If I had $1 single for every time you screamed at me, Stella, I would have several dollars. Arguably enough to build a brand new barn where I will not bring you or you. Okay? Thank you. I'm going for... It's not stupid. It's artistic. It's artistic. Thanks. Hey, dude. And all in all, it has been a really great day here at the farm.